You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all the name of this principle, and it comes from the name of an Italian polymath, or originally. This is why the Italian pronunciation is Pareto, Pareto. Roughly 80% of consequences come from 20% of causes. This is the principle. In English, the pronunciation is Pareto, the law of the vital few and the principal factor of sparsity. Pareto Principle, from Italian Pareto. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.